Alright guys, here you go. Here's my truck. It's gonna be riding today, my front loader. 2018 Peterbilt AMRAP front loader. Alright guys, here we go. I'm gonna show you my levers. See, we got arms up, forks up, down. I'll show you guys how we do this, how we pick up dumpsters. All y'all kids that want to be front load drivers, here you go. This is what your life will be. Reach over here and see all these instrument panel over here. I got all kinds of buttons over here. So this one over here is going to start my auto pack. When I hit that, it'll start packing the trash. Smashes it all down. I got like 70 dumpsters to get in there today. So now it's on its way back. It's returning. There we go. Now we're ready for another one. They need to fix these roads in Clear Lake, man. They are home of the potheads and potholes. So here's going to be our next stop right over here. So 6-yard dumpster. There's some good stuff in this one sometimes. I've Hostess donuts and hot Cheetos, and all the vendors throw away all their stuff in this one. It's pretty good. Give it a little shake, try to get that bag off there. Come on, buddy, come on. Oh, well, it's not coming off.